Secondly, the cinema law is a smoke-free zone, which is why we have reserved a special place for all you smokers, which you can find to the top of the ramp and to the right before the big green gate. Vaping, please just do so at the designated, ranging from burgers and fries, wraps and pitas to Cape Town. Movie snacks are available at our sugar and pop stand.
This is so me when they run out the funky fabs. Like, I'm dead. Literally. It's like me when mom says she's gonna order Butley's pizza.
You get out of the way.
Yeah, I didn't see that one.
I didn't see that motherfucker.